Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at ForexMart. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ForexMart is an award-winning, beginner-friendly broker that was founded in 2015. This broker is an excellent choice for day traders, copy traders, and most other styles of trading. ForexMart offers multiple types of accounts with tight spreads, flexible leverage, and commission-free trading. This broker has low minimum deposit requirements, making it easy for anyone to get started. And you can start trading with as little as $15 US. As a client, you can trade a variety of forex pairs, spot metals, cryptocurrencies, energies, indices, and share CFD instruments. ForexMart offers a wide range of instruments. There are more than 50 tradable currency pairs, and you can easily invest in hundreds of shares from top international companies or buy some of the most popular cryptocurrencies when you join ForexMart. This broker also offers a variety of energies, indices, and spot metals. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with ForexMart, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Trading Instruments page. If you require any assistance, you can reach the ForexMart customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting their FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. If it is your first time trading, the safest and easiest way to start trading is by opening a demo account with ForexMart. Using a demo account will allow you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds, and it will give you an opportunity to test the platforms and learn the basics. Make sure to read their free introductory guide provided before you start trading, and use the trading glossary as a reference if you come across new terminology. Once you have a good understanding of how trading works, we recommend trying out a cent account because you will be trading smaller lots using less money, and the minimum deposit is low. The Pro and Zero Spread accounts are suitable for more experienced traders, but if you've been trading for a while, then you can try any of the accounts offered. The account you choose will depend on your trading strategies, investment goals, and capital. If you would like to test out strategies in a real market environment using real money, we recommend trying a cent account. Alternatively, you can open a classic account if you'll be trading bigger lots. As a ForexMart client, you can use the MetaTrader 4 trading platform and the ForexMart mobile application. The MetaTrader 4 platform was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. MetaTrader 4 is highly customizable and secure, and is also a great option for traders interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. The MetaTrader 4 mobile application is beginner-friendly and free to use. This app has been downloaded by more than 10 million traders worldwide, and it has a 4.6 star rating on Google Play, making it one of the most trusted trading platforms. If you are automating your trading strategies or trading with expert advisors, we recommend using virtual private servers to continuously run your algorithms and expert advisors 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from any browser. The benefit of trading on a virtual private server is that there is no server lag, and it runs much faster than an ordinary server. So you'll never have to worry about overloaded servers or issues with backups. ForexMart is also one of our top-rated brokers for copy trading, and you can join the program as a strategy provider or a strategy follower. All you need to do is open an account, download the software, and click on I want to trade or I want to invest on the copy trading page. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4, click on the Trading tab and head over to the Trading Platforms page for a full list of features and direct download links. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with ForexMart. And this broker also offers demo accounts and swap-free accounts. The accounts you can open with ForexMart are the Classic account, the Pro account, the Cent account, and the Zero Spread account. The Classic and Cent accounts require a minimum deposit of $15 and offer spreads from 1 pip. If you are willing to pay a higher deposit for tighter spreads, you can open a Pro account or a Zero Spread account. The Pro account requires a minimum deposit of $200 for spreads from 0.6 pips. If you deposit at least $500, you can open a Zero Spread account for spreads from 0 pips. However, commission fees will be charged. The Classic, Pro, and Cent accounts are commission-free, and all accounts have negative balance protection and use a market order execution model. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. When you open an Islamic swap free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, this account type is exclusive to Muslim clients. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 500 when using the Classic, Cent, and Pro accounts, or 1 to 200 on the Zero Spread account. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks. So be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with ForexMart, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Trading Instruments page. Creating an account with ForexMart will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the ForexMart homepage, and then click on the Register button or the Open an Account button. Next, complete the online application form, then verify your account and email address, and then you can log into their client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account, but real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. After your account has been verified and set up, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with ForexMart. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your Navigator and Market Watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, Skrill, Neteller, FazaPay, bank transfers and crypto payment channels. Your account can be funded using several currencies, including US dollars, euros or pounds. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. You can make a withdrawal using any of the supported deposit methods. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. ForexMart provides updated news and market analysis, so we recommend bookmarking these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. This broker also offers a downloadable introductory trading guide that you can read through to learn the key concepts of trading, along with some basics and advanced trading techniques. You can use their economic calendar to gain fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. We also recommend bookmarking the trading glossary to use as a reference when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. This broker has received awards for offering some of the best trading conditions in the industry, and has also been recognized by the ShowFX World Awards for being the best broker in Europe and the most prospective broker in Asia. Overall, ForexSmart offers multiple accounts that are suitable for all styles of trading. This broker is an excellent choice for beginners, copy traders, and active traders. But having a variety of accounts to choose from gives you more freedom as a trader to experiment with strategies. As a client, you'll benefit from tight spreads, commission-free accounts, and low minimum deposit requirements. This broker also provides plenty of resources for analysis and research, and you will have access to one of the best trading platforms in the industry. You can contact their support team at any time via live chat, email, or telephonically. ForexSmart offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of ForexSmart. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.